This is a story told in a book called Great Cape Breton Storytelling. It's a story from the Mi'kmaq tradition. And it's called How Kluskap Found Summer. It was told by Noel Neptune. In the long ago time, when people lived always in the early red morning, before sunrise, before the Squid to Neck was peopled as today, Kluskap went far north, where all was ice. He came to a wigwam. Therein he found a giant, a great giant, for he was Winter. Kluskap entered. He sat down. Then Winter gave him a pipe. He smoked, and the giant told tales of the old times. The charm was on him. It was the frost. The giant talked on and froze, and Kluskap fell asleep. He slept for 6 months like a toad. Then the charm fled, and he awoke. He went his way home. He went to the south, and at every step it grew warmer, and the flowers began to come up and talk to him. He came to where there were little ones dancing in the forest. Their queen was Summer. I am singing the truth. It was Summer, the most beautiful one ever born. He caught her up. He kept her by a crafty trick. The master cut a moose hide into a long cord, and as he ran away with Summer, he let the end trail behind him. They, the fairies of light, pulled at the cord, but as Kluskap ran, the cord ran out, and though they pulled, he left them far away. So he came to the lodge of Winter, but now he had Summer in his bosom, and Winter welcomed him, and he hoped to freeze him again to sleep. I am singing the song of Summer. But this time the master did the talking. This time M'Tulin was the strongest, and ere long the sweat ran down Winter's face, and then he melted more and quite away, as did the wigwam. Then everything awoke. The grass grew, the fairies came out, and the snow ran down the rivers, carrying away the dead leaves. Then Kluskap left Summer with them and went home. Thanks.